Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to unlock Premier Mode in Counter-Strike 2. Now make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. Now first of all, if we scroll down, now here you can see what is basically Premier Mode. So if you want to unlock Premier Mode, you must have the purchase prime status inside the Counter-Strike 2. As you can see, like it is worth of total $15, $14.99, which is almost $15. So make sure to buy that subscription from inside your account or inside your game. And once you buy that prime subscription or prime status inside your game, so after that you will be able to like unlock the premier inside the Counter-Strike 2. Now there is another thing which you need to make sure that you must have level 10 inside the Counter-Strike 2. As you can see, reach level 10 in Counter-Strike 2. So even with the prime status, player must reach level 10 to unlock premier mode. You must unlock, or you can say that you must reach level 10 to unlock it. Now there are some different things. As you can see, total XRP needed is approximately 5000 XP is required to reach level 10. So you must have 5000 XP. And once you have the 5000 XP, now how can you increase, or you can say that you can quickly reach the 5000 XP or level 10? Now there are different tips. You can do it by XP farming. You can just do XP farming and you will be able to do it. Now team play matters, like make sure to play with your team correctly, like the as you can read, coordinate with your teammates and you have a better possibility of victory. So when you basically win the match, so you get more or greater XP gain. So this is basically how team play matters. And use XP bonus strategically, so you can use the XP bonus which you will find inside the game. So make sure to use them and they will be able to help you like reach the level 10 easily. Avoid common roadblocks. You can avoid these as well. Now these are some tips now how you can unlock it and how you can get it inside the Counter-Strike 2.